1947, an unforgettable year when India got independence, and thereby the efforts of government to eradicate poverty and improve the living standards of the rural masses started. But despite of all efforts, even after 50 years of India's independence, our rural areas are distraught with poverty and helplessness. Any accomplishment requires the effort of many people, concern for the people, and vision of achieving all-round development of the people of India is the concern of one and all. And due to these guiding factors, social development has become an integral part of our Birla Management Center's philosophy. We have always believed that what really matters is how much the company cares, how socially involved it is, to what extent it is concerned about improving the quality of the people around it. Not just its own employees, mind you, but all members of the community it lives in.
किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है।
हमारे यहाँ काफ़ी मात्रा में खेती की जाती है, लेकिन हमारे यहाँ ग्राम सेवक की किसी की भी ड्यूटी नहीं है, ताकि हमें सही बिजवारा नहीं मिलता है, खाद्य वगैरह और कीटाणु वगैरह की हम अच्छी तरह देखभाल नहीं कर सकते हैं, इसलिए हमारे यहाँ बहुत कम मात्रा में उपज हो रही है। तो गवर्नमेंट इस पे ध्यान लगाए और कुछ कार्रवाई हो सके तो तुरंत करें।
रंगे छप्पे का कार्य हमारे पूर्वजों से करते आ रहे हैं, लेकिन इसकी सुविधा न होने से कारण अभी हम इसमें आगे बढ़ नहीं पा रहे हैं।
True happiness can only be attained if we make the others around us happy. It is only those who work for the removal of darkness from others' lives can really hope to have sunshine in their lives. It has always been the philosophy of the group founder, late Sri Aditya Vikram Birla, to make the rural people independent and self-sufficient through elevation of suffering by bringing happiness and improving the quality of life. Due to these guiding factors, Vikram Cement laid the concrete foundation of Vikram Jan Seva Trust in 1991. They then assumed the responsibility of 50 villages in Jawat block of Neemuch district in Madhya Pradesh. Since then, Vikram Jan Seva Trust has undertaken a series of development works in the area, and as a result, the trust and the villages have developed a deep bonding, and the people of the area consider the trust to be an integral part of their lives. Today, the Vikram Jan Seva Trust has taken 65 villages in its fold. The main aim of the trust is to improve the quality of the lives of people and to implement the Rural Development Program in accordance with the Aditya Vikram Birla Center for Community Initiatives and Rural Development. Vikram Cement is playing a catalytic role in coordinating the efforts of the government, banks and other institutions, and is also providing the motivating and managerial inputs which ensure that right money goes to right pocket and each and every penny spent is utilized and used for the really needy living below the poverty line.
Our focus has always been the poorest of the villages. As a responsible corporate citizen, we are trying our level best to mobilize the maximum possible resources for the upliftment of the rural poor.
The Trust has initiated several programs in its villages with the basic aim of generating a feeling of self-respect in the villagers, both for themselves and the work they do. Keeping the basic philosophy of help them to help themselves, the Vikram Jan Seva Trust in its economic program is trying to ensure that the village folk do not have to look up to others to provide for them. The emphasis is on the women folk, and all efforts are being undertaken to generate self-respect in them. And to help them achieve this noble cause, The Rajashri Seva Samiti is also there to provide all the assistance. Vikram Jan Seva Trust, by its efforts, has helped to keep alive the traditional art of carpet weaving. Previously, due to extreme poverty, illiteracy and poor marketing skills, this art was slowly dying. But the trust has not only revived it, but also has infused a new life into it. As a consequence of all this, the Carpet Weaving Training Center, which was established at Village Athana on 11th March 1996, has been transformed into Carpet Training cum Production Center and is capable of producing export quality carpets, and is the first company to bag Aditya Birla Award 1998 for excellence in community development.
हम शुक्रगुजार हैं इस तालीम केंद्र के, हमें यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा लगता है। अल्लाह करे जिंदगी भर तक यूं ही चलता रहे।
Special attention has been paid to the Muslim women weavers who are standing on their feet. Today they have broken the barriers of Parda system and stepped out of their homes as the respectful bread earners of their family.
We have adopted villages around us wherein we are promoting various programs like income generation, agricultural, family welfare and other means of earning, so that the villagers become more and